Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll tell you how to showcase products with WhatsApp Business Catalog. So let's start it. Just open your WhatsApp Business app, go to the tools icon, and here you have to select catalog. Just click on add new items, and here you can enter your item name, photos, price, and description, etc. Now firstly we have to add a picture, so I want to add this picture, so then click on tick, and now you have to enter the item name. So I have entered just art, then click on next. Here you have to enter this item's price, as I have entered 1200, and then click on next. Sale price, this is optional, you can set it after doing this. Here you have to add description of your item. You can select one or more pics for your item and then click on save. It will take some moments and your catalog successfully uploaded to your WhatsApp business account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.